Now that we have the code open, again, and I'll show that to you again. Once you've created your basic outline, you click on Generate HTML CSS Code. That brings open the window. Now you can download the zip file, but sometimes it crashes and you have to redo the page over again. So I find it easier just to simply highlight, drag down to the bottom, and copy all of that information just by going Control-C. Then you can open up your Notepad++ and simply paste it into there. So that right there is our first page. Because this is the home page, this will be our index page. And what's important to remember here is how you save this page. When you go to File, Save As, we'll click on that. You want to choose from the drop-down window Hypertext Markup Language. And there's a good reason for this, because if you don't save it that way, then you could lose some features and the page may not work at all. Then I'm going to go into my instructor directory and I'm going to make a right click and create a new folder, and I'm going to call that, you can give it any name for now, new web, and we're using div. But you can give it any name that makes you comfortable. So we enter that, we double click it, and now we want to give this index.html. This is what the web server looks for once it enters a directory. So we go ahead and save that. Now you can see that the colors have changed, and you'll find out as you're typing in tags and codes, there's little pop-ups that will help you shorten your efforts. So now let's go get the cascading style code. I'm going to click on File. I'm going to go New. I'm going to go back to my page. I'm going to click on the tab. And again here, I'm going to copy all of this down to the very bottom. I'm going to go Control-C. I am going to go back to my notepad and paste that in there. Again, you have to save this as a cascading style sheet. If not, it probably will not work right. So we're going to go File. We're going to Save As. And we're still in our new web dev directory. And I'm going to drop this window down, and I'm going to look very carefully for cascading style sheet right there. So I have that one. And what by default Lazilla creates the name of the style sheet, and they just simply call it style. And you'll see how important that is in a minute here. So I go ahead and click on Save, and as you can see, it's changed colors. And what we will do from here is we'll pick back up in the next video, and we'll look at the sheets and start bringing you up to speed on how they work together in the different components. See you in a little bit.